Hello and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today I am in the kitchen making an everything but the kitchen sink salad. That's right, I said everything but the kitchen sink, and you'll see why. So while I get everything ready, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button. Season our little salt on our cucumber and a little pepper. Now that I've seasoned my cucumber, let's add some cucumbers. Then we're going to add some green onions. I didn't have red onions, so I'm going to put green onions. Now let's add some ham and cheese. Add some protein. And some cheese. Now it's time to put some fruit and vegetables on it. So I cut up a green apple. Some apple on here. Granny Smith. I chopped up some strawberries. Remember, this is our everything but the kitchen sink salad. And what's a salad without tomatoes? Gotta have some tomatoes in the salad. I was thinking about putting some avocados in here, but I'm not gonna do that tonight. And this is for you, Pam and Pat. We're gonna add some pecans in there. I should have put some salt and pepper on my tomatoes too. And I think we are done. Everything but the kitchen sink. I did not put the avocado in there, but if you guys like avocados, you are more than welcome to put avocados in your salad. Now you can use some blueberries in there. You can use walnuts instead of pecans. It's up to you what you'd like to do. You guys can go out there and check out some of my other salad videos. There's lots of ways to make salads, and I have lots of videos. But in the meantime, you guys hit that subscribe button, and guess what? I will see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.